welcome back to another quick tidy and declutter episode, bathroom edition. We are in my bathroom, and I said in the last video where I did the system here that I was going to do the under the sink and the drawers because they are a disaster, and it's pretty much because of too much stuff and stuff never being put back where it belongs. So quick update on this system. I have to tell you, this is the best I've ever had in this bathroom. The way you look at it right now, I had no cleaning done pre-recording this video. It's been working wonders. So it just proves to show that you gotta find a system that works for you. I've had some comments that lids were not gonna work, and I tell you what, they do work. And this is how it's been working for me. I ended up putting the dental stuff in this box. All of the dental stuff is in there. So in the morning after I brush my teeth, blah, 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 I have this box. I just open it. I have all my makeup in it. I use something, I put it right back in because it's right there, it's underneath me. And then when I'm done, close the lid, put that back on, done. And I do the same thing with this. Matter of fact, I don't even pull it out all the way. And this is just basically what I would use on an almost a daily basis. So I have one face cleaner. I have the Pond's face cream, which I don't even use for daytime. I just use it for nighttime. I have a curling cream, curling gel, hair pomade, a leave-in air conditioner, my white tooth comb, eye makeup remover, deodorant, and this actually is dental, so that can be. This is what I'm down to. I don't use anything else. I gotta be honest, I don't even have an eye cream in here, and the rest is palettes. So this has been working for me, and I tell you, I don't even pull it all the way. I just pull it a little bit here. I grab my stuff, put it right back in, and I'm done. So the bottom line is find a system that works for you. Now, we always judge, well, not necessarily judge, but we always contrast and compare other people and their way of living and their way of doing things based on our experience and what works for us. So I'm perfectly aware that containers that are not see-through with lids may not work for you, but I'm telling you it's working for me. So I don't see no need to change. This has been great. The bathroom has stayed organized, at least the countertop, the entire week. And maybe because it's new, I don't know, but it's really working. And having condensed my makeup to just one little box, I mean, I'm not counting the palettes because I'm telling you the palettes are gonna be gone, okay? Eventually, probably by next year, all my eye palettes will be gone. Right now I'm still attached to them, you know, all 9 of them, but eventually I'm gonna be down to just one container like this for all of my makeup and beauty supply. But anyway, progress being made is all I'm trying to say. So today I'm gonna do the drawers here and the under the sink. Again, ton of stuff in there that's redundant, that I don't need, that I don't use, that were purchased, I hang on to. No need for that. I have a garbage bag here. I'm just gonna use that and start throwing stuff out. Let's try to do it within 15 minutes. It shouldn't take too long. I'm not necessarily cleaning. I am decluttering and tidying things up. One of my big projects coming up after I'm done with the bedroom, which is almost done. I just have to do the edges of the floor and the boards that's missing, and then touch up paint, curtains and bedding, and I'm done. And decor is to do a new vanity here. New counter that goes all the way almost to the toilet, so that I can roll the laundry basket underneath it so it's tucked away. And then this here going all the way to the wall over there. I think I'm gonna build it entirely, but anyway. One of the things that I've noticed Oh, by the way, one of the things that I've noticed for years is that I put things in a way and then it's almost impossible for me to change the way it is. And it makes no sense whatsoever. I'm gonna give you, for instance, for years I've had this box here which contains all of my curlers, right? And I keep on putting it on this side, which clearly doesn't fit it. It goes underneath this part here. Where if I was putting it on this side, it would be so much easier. And I don't know why my brain doesn't comprehend that. But anyway, let's go through this. This is, I know it looks gross, whatever. You know what this is? This is the pitcher I use to fertilize my plants. So what you see at the bottom is fertilizer. Okay, I have 2 soaps. This was a Street Find. It was brand new in the box. And it's replacing my broken one. Okay. So this is what I was telling you about. Again, I'm not cleaning anything, okay? This is all my hair stuff for when I curl my hair. So that's gonna have to go on the other side. Okay, hairbrush. Scott's trim thing. These are extra pads that go with the mop that I use for the new floor. Blow dryer. I don't really use it because I use this instead, which is great. But I do keep it because sometimes you do need a blow dryer for various projects, so I'll keep it. Okay. It's after bath cologne. I can only wear cologne. I don't wear perfumes anymore, which brings me to this. I got barely any left. It's a Roger Gallet. I love this. I'm gonna keep it and probably finish it this week. This I can let go of. There's barely any left. Baby powder. I use it actually in the summer for feet. This is hairspray. French cologne, nail stuff. Okay, which one is this? This is the, oh, this is terrible. This is a Esty base coat that's tacky, and it stays tacky, and you put your nail polish on it, and it makes it last longer, except that the 2 times I've tried it, it made the nail polish on top tacky. That can go. This is a treatment for hair, for nail. Okay, this, barely used it. I bought it for Edward. He didn't want to use it. He used it once. He didn't like it. I don't use it. That can go. This is actually for the plants in the summer when it gets really dry. Pharmacy stuff. Pharmacy stuff. Okay, so that's put together. This is, we hate it. It foams. It's really bad. Like 10 minutes later, you're still foaming. This is the spray for my plants. Alright, this daily moisturizing lotion, I don't really use it, but instead of throwing it away, it's normal to dry skin. I can probably use it as hand cream. I'll bring it downstairs. Okay, we're down to 1 soap. Oh, I was looking for that. Cologne and more cologne. Because again, that's all I wear. Alright, so that's jewelry cleaner. Let me rinse this, and I'm going to use it to careen my cologne. One of my biggest, what you call it? And again, I mean, this is almost empty. There's like 2 spritz out of it, but I love it. One of the things I'm most upset about with my health is having developed allergies to perfume. I used to have so many perfume and the good stuff too. I just can't use it anymore. Gives me headaches. Took what, 10 minutes? Done. Let's go to the drawers. All right. This is Scott's, I'm not touching it. So remember, I'm not really cleaning, I'm just tidying, so there you go. Sorry about my phone. Everything is put back in order. I have the extra stuff in here, and then I finally corralled all of my hair clips and stuff. I never knew what to do with this Waterford wine coaster thing, so now it's going to be for my hair clip, and then everything else here is just stuff that I don't really use all that often, but still use. And then cleaned my brushes, and it took less than 15 minutes. Less than 15 minutes, and something that I could have done many times over the past 6-7 months, but procrastinated. So I hope this is inspiring you to go ahead and declutter, tidy up, spruce up a little corner. It doesn't have to be a huge room, but little at a time. Before you know it, your entire room is organized. This is the best the bathrooms looked. I'm not kidding. This is super organized for us, for our needs. Mine in particular, since most of the products in here are mine. As for Scott and his basket of stuff, I think that every time I've opened this drawer in the past 10 years that I've been on YouTube, you've seen the exact same stuff. Because men are like that. Us, we got to constantly change. Most of us. I'm not going to say all of us, but most of us. So, hope you still like this little mini series. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to find me on Facebook and Instagram at My Great Challenge, and Etsy shops, Frenchie and Tubby for vintage finds, My Great Challenge gift for channel merch, and for a more intimate look into my family and daily life, you can find me on Patreon at patreon.com/mygreatchallenge. I'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching. Bye. Hey, it's me, and guess what? Click that thumbs up if you really like this video. Thumbs down twice if you didn't. You can also share my video if you really liked it, or save it to watch later. Also, you can subscribe to my channel.
But don't forget to click that bell button so you are always notified when I post a new video. Thank you for watching.